Hello YouTube, this is Handbasket. Here I have my system sensor HW-LF. Here I have my Wheelock MT1224. And here I have my Simplex 4040. If you're wondering how it's AC, it's because I have a relay up there. Not really the best setup, but it works for a hobby system. Oh, there's my keys. I have a system sensor MDL in that closet to code the alarms to code 3. So we're gonna pull the Simplex pull station. 3, 2, 1. You can actually feel the vibration of the speaker in the system sensor alarm, which I think is pretty cool. It's super hard to do this with one hand plus a stopper. Using my camera hand to hold up the stopper. Oh. Darn it. There we go. So, now to activate the Simplex smoke detector I have here. This is trash. Doesn't even work. I mean, it'd be good for a prop or something, but not for a demonstration system. I guess it's time to throw this out. Good thing I have an extra. You know what? Let's go for continuous. 3, 2, 1. I said 3, 2, 1. That's... There we go. I don't know about you, but I prefer code 3. No, that's the wrong end. Sorry. Almost got it. There we go. It's back to code 3. So, guess there we have it. Handbasket signing off.